The last step is to run the batch input session, and this is transaction SM35. So if I go here, asterisk, so now here is my session name. So I had to insert an asterisk here. So SAP automatically brought this from the program, but then because I changed the name of the batch input session manually, I had to add an asterisk here to see the rest. Or if you know the name, you can insert it. Now this is our batch input session, which is in status created. So it has not been executed yet. Now I will click here, process, and I have different options. I can either process in the foreground, which means I will watch SAP updating the fields in my place. So SAP will go to the screen, like if there is a user doing the transaction, and it will start updating the fields, and I have to press enter whenever any field is updated. Or I can say display errors only, so SAP will go execute, and if it finds any errors live, it will just pop up with the error and I can fix it. Or I can say background, which means that SAP will execute everything in the background, and I will not be able to know if there are any errors or to correct anything until we are done. I can see the history, but it's done. I will have to repeat the batch input session after correcting the errors. So SAP will update any record that is successful, and any record that has errors will be stopped or skipped, and then I can see in the history what happened, and we can correct them and run again and so on. Normally what I do is I start with foreground, so I can see the program starting with 1 or 2 records to make sure that everything is working fine. Then from inside I switch to display errors only, so SAP will start processing and only shows me the screen once there is an error, so I can fix it.